Hey guys, so as promised, I am doing a video that you guys wanted to see. Let me just quickly run down what I have done so far. So I started off with e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. Then I went to my Lottie London Bright Bounce Corrector in Light. And then I used Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in 00BB Nude. Then I used e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Set everything with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in Light Pink. Then I used NYX Buttermilk Bronzer in Butta Cup. And then I used an LA Colors blush in Berry Plum. And then I used the Wet n Wild highlighter from the Date or Dominate collection. This is exclusive to CVS. I've talked about a lot of these products in recent videos. All the information will be in the description box as always. If I'm talking too fast or if you don't know what I'm saying, all the information will be there. And then I did my brows with my new LA Colors brow pencil in medium. I have a dedicated video to that as well. All right, so let's take it from there. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I really hope this works out, but you know how I normally take either a ColourPop shadow stick or an LA Colors contour stick to start the eye look? Well, I was in my bronzer drawer in my makeup collection recently, and I was like, ooh, I wonder how this would work. This is the Hard Candy Face Duo Highlight and Contour Stick. And the shade on this is Fair/Light. And I was wondering how this would work as an eye base. It's very creamy, but I really think the color would work great with the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today, which is the LA Colors Radiant palette. So I don't know if this is going to work out, but I'm going to try it. And I don't know how it's going to be in terms of setting up and staying power, but I think because we're going to use all powder eyeshadows over this, I think it should work out okay. But yeah, I thought this color would work so great with the palette. So I like to put some type of colored base down in the crease area and the outer part of the eye look. Okay, that's blending fine. Yeah, let's just do a little more in that corner that I have trouble with. So what I did was just in case you didn't see that video, I did a video called Makeup and Beauty Haul, and then I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and the first comments that came through were about the doll. So I did that video first. That went up yesterday. And I went to Dollar Tree later that day and they restocked the doll stuff in the toy section. And so I picked up another doll because I was so impressed with the first one. And I got her an outfit. And because I did like the fit on the clothes. They're a little tight, but they look really nice because they're tight. And then I actually got a piece of doll furniture. So I will be showing that in an upcoming video. Okay, I want this to be even, so we're going to need to do a little bit more over here. Okay, yeah, I want them to be the same. So, all right. So the eyeshadow palette that we're going to use is called Radiant Beauty, and this is from Walmart, but I have seen this at other stores. And this is the most neutral palette of all the palettes in this line, and these palettes are like around $2. You know, I might be off by a few cents, but they're roughly $2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small brush and we're going to go into this matte light brown shade, and we're going to go deep into the crease. And we're going to put just a little bit in the outer part of my eye. And then I'm going to take one of the must-have beauty eyeshadow brushes that I showed in my haul video. And we're going to go into this shimmer shade right here. There's marks on the palette because I was doing swatches, of course. There's a lot of kick up with this shade, so hopefully this will apply okay. So I'm just going to kind of tap and smooth that onto the lid. Oh, that's a really pretty shade, you guys. Really pretty. So I just want to make sure that I smooth that out. So I don't get any fallout. Okay, I got just a tiny bit of fallout there. Not too bad though. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into this like cream colored color. And we're going to do the highlight next. And inner corner. And now I'm going to take a detail brush and I'm going to go into the deep brown, and we're just going to drag a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line. I really have been into using eyeshadow as eyeliner lately because it gives it like a smoky look instead of a harsh defined look. Really into the way that looks lately. Okay, gonna need another brush. Let's see, which one do I want to use? I'm gonna use, I'm going to use this large brush, and I'm going to go back into the brown, and we're going to do the outside part of my eye here. Well, that's blending really nice. Yes. Yes. I am so glad I gave one of these other palettes a try from this line, because I'm really liking the way this is turning out. Okay, I'm gonna shut the camera off and do the other eye, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and come back and we will do a new lip product. Well, new to me, and maybe to you too. Okay, so I'm really loving the way this eye look turned out. This is a winner, you guys. If your local Walmart does not carry LA colors, I believe that Dollar General also carries this line of palettes from LA Colors. So I just curled my lashes with my Wet n Wild lash curler, and I applied LA Colors Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara from Dollar Tree. So let's move on to the lips. So in my makeup haul video, I showed you that I had tried the LA Colors gel lip liner, or I bought one of them, I should say. Well, I tried it like the next day or something like that and fell madly in love with it, went back out and bought more colors. The only thing is they're quite difficult to find because there aren't that many Walmarts that carry LA Colors. And so I went to one and I got 3 more colors. And then I went to another one and got one. And yeah, I want all these, you guys. These LA Colors gel lip liners are fantastic. So this one is in the shade Rosé All Day. So I bought this and I'm gonna use that today. They are so creamy and so pigmented. So I'm just lining my lips with this one. This is like a rosy nude, really, really pretty. And then I showed this in that video. This is from the Pout Chaser lipstick line. These are only 98 cents at Walmart. But tried one of these the other day and so creamy. I can't believe this is only 98 cents. This is a great lipstick. So this is the shade Melted Nude. And when I was getting the lip liners, I also picked up one more shade of this. So you'll be seeing that in an upcoming video too. But yeah, these lipsticks are great. I can't believe they're only 98 cents. And then let's set everything with my Milani Make It Last Original Setting Spray. I've been forgetting to do this lately, but it does make a big difference. Quick, quick, grab the fan. Just melts everything and merges it together and takes the powderiness down of the powder products. So that is the finished look, you guys. I love, love, love this. This is such a nice, neutral, wearable look that you could wear anywhere you wanted to, and the colors are really great. So the colors that I did not use today was this one, which is just like a light to medium gold. And I did not use the copper, the lighter copper color, and then there's a deeper copper color because I'm probably going to be doing a look with that copper colored pigment that I picked up from Ocean State Job Lot, so I didn't want to do too many copper looks in a row. But yeah, I love the way this turned out. This is a winner, you guys, for like $2. How can you go wrong? Alright, so that's it for today, you guys. If you liked this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel when you do. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.